It's the big India Today impact of the Maharashtra land grab expose. The latest is a brewing war between the BJP and the Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut advised the BJP to boot out the tainted Maharashtra Revenue Minister and BJP state strongman Eknath Khadse. The BJP has now hit back, saying that the Shiv Sena should not interfere in the BJP's internal affairs. BJP spokesperson Madhav Bhandari had said that the BJP has taken a clear stand on the issue within the party and the leadership is capable of taking the right decisions at the appropriate time in this regard. Eknath Khadse is clearly embattled. Now Sanjay Raut speaking to India Today's Rahul Kanwal said that it's time for Maharashtra Revenue Minister Eknath Khadse to resign after a series of allegations against him, especially about land grab. The State Industries Minister, again a Shiv Sena man, made it very clear that this was MIDC land, that this was not private land. That is where the BJP stands completely isolated. I want to bring in India Today's Kamlesh Sutar for more on this. Kamlesh, take us through the latest, this fight between the BJP and the Shiv Sena.
Gaurav, Eknath Khadse is one leader which the Shiv Sena loves to hate. Remember, it was Eknath Khadse when the alliance broke before the 2014 Vidhan Sabha elections in Maharashtra. It was Eknath Khadse who was leading the front against Shiv Sena, and ever since the Shiv Sena has this grudge against Eknath Khadse. Now this entire scam and the entire controversy surrounding Eknath Khadse comes as an opportunity to the Shiv Sena to settle scores with him, and we saw how openly Sanjay Raut, the senior Shiv Sena leader, said that the BJP should take action against Eknath Khadse and he should resign, and an inquiry should be instated into all the matter. But miffed by the statement, a clearly angered BJP hit back towards the Shiv Sena, saying that it's an internal matter of the BJP.
Okay, stay with me for a moment. There are reactions coming in. Let's listen in. Just give me a minute.
बैठकर ऊंट की सवारी या ऊंट को नहीं हाँकना चाहिए, इस बात को शिवसेना ने ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री, हमारे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष, हमारे सारे केंद्र के नेता इस संदर्भ में निर्णय लेने में सक्षम है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी उसको योग्य चिंता योग्य समय पर करेगी. किसी भी प्रकार की इस्तीफे की आवश्यकता नहीं. खडसे जी ने खुद इसके बारे में जांच की मांग की है.
मराठीत सांगा, खडसेंचा राजीनामा मागितलाय शिवसेनेने. मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या स्वच्छ प्रतिमेला कुठेतरी धक्का पोहोचत असं शिवसेनेचं म्हणणं आहे.
मला वाटतं की शिवसेनेच्या म्हणण्यावर राजीनामा देण्याचं काही कारण नाही. या उलट शिवसेनेने आमच्या कारभारामध्ये नाक खुपसण्याचं काही कारण नाही. ते काँग्रेसची बी टीम म्हणून काम करताय का, याचा त्यांना पुन्हा माझा एकदा सवाल आहे. खडसेंनी स्वतः या प्रकरणात
Kamlesh with me on this big story. Kamlesh, it's clearly end game Eknath Khadse. Within the BJP, there are voices like Satyapal Singh, former Mumbai Police Commissioner and BJP MP, saying it's time for him to go. Within the RSS, there are leaders who are saying it's time for Eknath Khadse to go. Is anyone standing by him, or is he completely isolated and it's just a matter of time?
Well, indeed, it seems that Eknath Khadse is isolated at this point in time, and whatever little support he was able to garner was at the local level, was at Jalgaon Municipal Corporation, where some corporators had demanded the party that they should stand firmly behind Eknath Khadse, or else they will resign. But that hasn't seemed to have worked with the party either. But those who know the BJP's history, the way the party functions, such kind of pressure tactics have seldom worked in the past, and this also doesn't seem to be working, because also the leaders who though are in support of Eknath Khadse, they will not openly come out and support him, because they know that the party high command is miffed with the entire controversy and they are not very happy. There are voices within the BJP. We saw what Satyapal Singh said. Though other political parties, the opposition, particularly the Congress and NCP, were demanding resignation, what came as a big setback for the BJP was a demand that came in from its ally, the Shiv Sena, which shares power with him at the state as well as the centre. The Shiv Sena demanding a resignation of Eknath Khadse has put the BJP in a fix and also on the back foot, particularly at a time when Devendra Fadnavis will be meeting the party high command in Delhi. He is likely to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and appraise him of the entire controversy and the entire situation. At this time, an ally like Shiv Sena, which is its ally at the center and the state, making such demand would certainly put more pressure on the
Yes.
BJP.
Okay, for the moment, Kamlesh Sutar, many thanks for joining me. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. Kamlesh Sutar was talking about how the Shiv Sena is mounting pressure on the BJP. India Today Group's managing editor Rahul Kanwal spoke to Sanjay Raut. Let's listen in.
देखिए, ये कोई कंट्रोवर्सी या स्कैंडल की बात बाद में आ जाएगी जब एक मिनिस्टर के ऊपर इस प्रकार से एलिगेशन होता है और ये सीनियर मिनिस्टर और उसने लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन का भी काम किया है, तो सबसे पहले ऐसे व्यक्ति को पद से इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और इंक्वायरी के लिए सामने जाना चाहिए। अगर ये नहीं हो रहा है तो मुझे लगता है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो बड़े नेता है, चाहे दिल्ली में हो चाहे महाराष्ट्र में हो, निर्णय लेने की जरूरत है। एकनाथ राव खड़से हम बहुत साल से राज्य के राजनीति में देखते आए हैं। जब ही वॉज लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन तो कांग्रेस हो एनसीपी हो, उनके मिनिस्टर के ऊपर बड़े बड़े आरोप करने वाले खड़से साहब ही थे और इस्तीफा मांगने में सबसे ज्यादा जोर लगाने वाले मिस्टर खड़से थे। अगर यही आरोप मिस्टर खड़से के ऊपर होता है तो उनकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है नैतिकता के आधार पर। जब महाराष्ट्र में शिवसेना भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार थी, मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर जोशी थे, शिवसेना प्रमुख भी थे यहाँ, तब कुछ मंत्रियों के ऊपर अन्ना हजारे ने एलिगेशन किया था, तो बाला साहब ठाकरे जी ने कहा था कि आप इस्तीफा दीजिए और जांच के लिए सामने जाकर बाद में आप निर्दोष साबित होकर वापस मिनिस्ट्री में आइए। तो ये हमारी महाराष्ट्र की परंपरा रही है। देखिए, सरकार देवेंद्र फडणवीस एक ऐसे मुख्यमंत्री है जिनकी इमेज साफ सुथरी है। अभी तक वहां नरेंद्र मोदी जी भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ लड़ने की बात हमेशा करते हैं। भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त देश, भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त राज्य की बात अगर हम करते हैं और हमारे एक जो साथी है मिनिस्ट्री में, उनके ऊपर कुछ एलिगेशन, चाहे वो गलत एलिगेशन हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जांच के लिए अगर आपको जाना है तो आप पहले जांच होने दीजिए और आप साफ सुथरे निर्दोष बनकर वापस मिनिस्ट्री में आ सकते हैं। लेकिन ये निर्णय भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने लेना चाहिए। ये उनका अंदरूनी मामला जरूर है, लेकिन राज्य के साथ जुड़ा हुआ मामला है।
We've identified 6 signs. First and foremost, no colleague, as I told you earlier, is willing to come out and defend Khadse publicly. Not even the spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Maharashtra or in Delhi is willing to come out and speak up for this man. Sign number 2, Maharashtra's internal BJP probe report has indicted Khadse. Remember, the state BJP president sat down with Khadse and Fadnavis and they told him that what you've done is very difficult to justify. Khadse at that time made an offer, I will give up my land if you want me to, I'm prepared to give this up. But that can't fly, because once you've acted in a corrupt fashion, you can't take back that corruption. That is not okay. Sign number 3 of Khadse being in trouble, Fadnavis's deafening silence. I just showed you how, despite repeated attempts by India Today to get any kind of a reaction out of Fadnavis, he's running away from the cameras, folding his hands, walking into his car. Sign number 4. Rattled Khadse skipped the cabinet meeting. Yesterday he went off to Jalgaon and didn't attend the cabinet meeting. He's told his colleagues he's upset. He wants them to speak up in his favor. They refuse to do so. Sign number 5. Khadse's supporters have threatened rebellion. I brought you that story from Jalgaon, where Khadse's colleagues who are cooperators over there are saying they'll break the Maharashtra BJP. Remember, he's number 2 man in the Maharashtra BJP. He's not a political lightweight, and therefore he is now threatening to break the Bharatiya Janata Party in Maharashtra. Finally, the BJP top brass has told India Today, when we asked them, when the 2 years of the Modi Sarkar were being celebrated, about the charges against Eknath Khadse, they said the charges are grave.